Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class, Greenfield School and College. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Already you had got your pre-test exam. Someone failed in objective. So I think objective is the main sector of number carrying. Okay, so today is chapter 1. Chapter 1, some objective question. We will discuss chapter 1. From chapter 1, lessons on life. Lessons of life, biology, chapter 1. Chapter 1 name is lessons on life. Okay, lessons on life. From this chapter is very important for MCQ. At least 2 or 3 questions from here. This chapter, lessons on life. So let's discuss. Okay, first question. Member of which kingdom is heterotropic? Member of which kingdom is heterotropic? Heterotropic, TROPIC. Heterotropic means they cannot produce their food owned by their effort. Okay, so member of which kingdom? That means you. Okay, they cannot produce their food by their main effort. Okay, so here answer will be Animalia. Okay, answer Animalia. Okay, so the answer is Animalia. Member of which kingdom is heterotropics? Okay, your answer will be Animalia. Which animal belongs to fungi? You know, mushroom belongs to fungi kingdom. Okay, which animal belongs to fungi? Which animal belongs to fungi? Here your option will be mushroom, amoeba, paramecium and BGA. Okay, so your answer will be mushroom. Your answer will be mushroom. MASHROOM. Mushroom. Then which one is including in kingdom Monera? Nostoc bears which kingdom? Okay, Nostoc bears, NOSTOC. Nostoc belongs to which kingdom? Okay, Nostoc belongs to which kingdom? Your answer will be Monera. Answer Monera. Okay, first kingdom. First kingdom Monera. Nostoc belongs to which kingdom? That is Monera. And whose scientific name? Nymphia naucheli. Okay, Nostoc belongs Nymphia naucheli. NYMPHAEA, Nymphia naucheli. Naucheli is whose scientific name? SCIENTIFIC, scientific name. Think about this scientific name. Any idea? Nymphia naucheli. Nymphia naucheli will be Shapla. Okay, Shapla scientific name is Nymphia naucheli. Answer is Shapla. SHAPLA. You know, shapla is our national flower, huh? Shapla. So your answer will be shapla. Then bacteria belongs which kingdom? Bacteria and nostoc also Monera. Okay, this is another important question. Bacteria belongs to which kingdom? Which kingdom? Huh? And this answer will be Monera. Monera. Okay. Number 6. Mitochondria is absent in which microorganism? Okay, mitochondria absent. Pseudomonas, Trichomonas, Microbacterium, Pseudococcus. Okay, or Pneumococcus. So your answer will be Trichomonas. This is not very important. Which one is reproduced by haploid spore? This is another important question. Which one is reproduced by haploid spore? Haploid spore means N. Which one is reproduced by haploid spore? Haploid spore. Okay, haploid spore. Haploid spore means yeast. Okay, here answer will be yeast. Haploid spore means N. N. So which one is reproduced by haploid spore? This is N. So yeast. Then go to in which kingdom the organism Paramecium is included? Paramecium is included the kingdom of Protista. Okay. Haploid spore, another question. Which one does reproduce with haploid spore? Okay, haploid spore, that is another example, Paramecium. Then the body of which is made up of mycelium, or the main body of fungi is known as the main body of fungi. Main body of fungi known as mycelium. Okay, mycelium. MYCELIUM. C. Okay, mycelium. 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 And the organ that is outer side of soil, that is known as fruit body. Okay, umbrella like structure, you know, that is known as fruit body, and main body in the soil, that is mycelium. Okay, mycelium. Amoeba belongs which kingdom? The organism of figure A belongs to which kingdom? Amoeba belongs to which kingdom? Another important question. Amoeba, AMOEBA. Amoeba belongs to which kingdom? Amoeba belongs to which kingdom? Your answer will be Protista. Protista. Amoeba belongs to which kingdom? That is Protista. This is another important question. Amoeba. What is the topic of discussion of physiology? Physiology, excretion. What is the topic of discussion of physiology? What is the, another important question, what is the topic of discussion Discussion of physiology. Okay. Physiology. Physiology discussion, your excretion, respiration. Okay. Excretion, respiration, photosynthesis, etc. Okay. Expression. What is the topic of discussion of physiology? Okay. So excretion, respiration, then photosynthesis, okay, etc. Physiology, photosynthesis, another question. Okay. Which kingdom organisms are used for the treatment of diabetes? Diabetes se konta? This is Monera. Corchorus capsularis. Okay. What is the scientific name of jute? Corchorus capsularis. What is the SCIEN scientific name? What is the scientific name of jute? Yeah, scientific name of jute. Jute means Corchorus capsularis. Answer will be Corchorus. CHORUS. Corchorus capsularis. Okay, Corchorus capsularis. What is the scientific name of jute? Corchorus capsularis. Then the another question. Corchorus capsularis. In which branch of biology origin of gamete is discussed? Okay, where discussed the origin of gamete. Okay, where discuss? So your answer will be gamete. Gamete means embryology. Embryology discussed by the gamete, fetus, okay, new embryo. In which branch of biology origin of gamete is discussed? Okay, where discuss the origin of gamete? Short করে দিলাম. Which is the genus part of the scientific name of onion? Okay, so you will write what is the scientific name of onion? What is the scientific name of onion? Scientific name of onion. 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 Answer will be Oleum cepa. ALLIUM. Oleum CEPA. Oleum cepa. Okay. Then the question, what is the genus part of the scientific name of onion? So you will write Oleum. Okay. Then go to living. Which organ is present in bacteria? Ribosome. Why man is heterotopic? Because plastid absent in cell. Okay. Why man is heterotropic? Why man is heterotopic? Plastid absent in cell. Answer will be plastid absent in cell. Okay, they have no plastid. Then What is the scientific name of honeybee? What is the scientific name of honeybee? Okay, honeybee. So your answer will be scientific name Apis indica. Apis indica. Okay, honeybee means moumachi. Okay, honeybee means moumachi. What is the scientific name of honeybee? That is Apis indica. This is another important question. Honeybee. Then go to body of which one made of mycelium? You know, penicillium. Okay. Survival of the fittest discussed in evolution. Nostoc belongs. Okay. In which kingdom paramecium is involved? Protista. Paramecium involved Protista. Then scientific name of cockroach. This is another important question. Okay. What is the scientific name of cockroach? What is the scientific name of cockroach? Cockroach. ROACH. Cockroach. Periplaneta americana. Periplaneta americana. Okay. Then what is the scientific name of jackfruit? Jackfruit. FRUIT. Okay. Jackfruit Artocarpus heterophyllus. Artocarpus heterophyllus. Okay. Then what is the scientific name of potato? Potato is Solanum. Solanum tuberosum. SUM. Solanum tuberosum. Then what is the scientific name of paddy? Paddy is another important. Paddy is Oryza sativa. Oryza sativa. Okay. Then Oryza sativa. National flower. Okay, Nymphia nautilii. Okay. And what is the scientific name of আর কোনটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট? ইলিশ. ওকে, সাইন্টিফিক নেম অফ ইলিশ. ILISH. ইলিশ. ইলিশ টেনুয়ালোসা ইলিশা. টেনুয়ালোসা ইলিশা. ইলিশা. ওকে, টেনুয়ালোসা ইলিশা. And number 20, the scientific name of tiger. What is the scientific name of tiger? Tiger. Okay, tiger is Panthera tigris, and your answer will be Panthera tigris. Okay, these are the some important MCQ from chapter 1, and this question was held in different board 2020. Okay, so I think this type of question is very very important for you. So that's all. Allah Hafiz.